Solid shock. That bone-rattling, head-splitting, machine-eating, G-force vibration that comes from riding on solid tires. It's hell on your operators. It trashes your equipment. It can harm your business. Solid shock is a force to be reckoned with, which is exactly what TyrFil did more than 50 years ago, and we've been perfecting it ever since. TyrFil is a polyurethane liquid that's pumped into pneumatic tires to replace air with a synthetic elastomer core. The result is a flat-proof, cushioned ride that substantially lowers G-force transmission to your operators and the expensive equipment that keeps your business rolling. Eliminating solid shock means less injury, pain, and fatigue, less stress on your equipment, and lower tire expenses, one of the most costly items in your maintenance budget. TyrFil tires offer a smoother, flat-proofed ride, better traction and stability, and a sustainable and recyclable option to solid tires. Don't lose any more time, money, and energy on solid tires. Reduce the effects of solid shock. Call TyrFil today at 800-821-4147 or visit us online.